Hello everyone, class 3rd, English Grammar, chapter 7, possessive noun. In this chapter, we will learn about the possessive noun, that is, it is related with apostrophe s. For examples, Tina has a black cat. Tina has a relation with the cat, so we can write in another words like Tina's cat is black. The school in which Raj studies is far from his home. There is a relation between Raj and school, so we can write Raj's school is far from his home. The possessive form of a noun shows ownership or relationship. You can see in the above sentences. We add an apostrophe s. This is called apostrophe s with the noun as Tina's cat or Raj's school to show possessive form of noun. So this possessive form of noun tells about the relation of a particular subject with another thing. Here is some examples. We can do the exercise 1 that clears more things about it. Milk of the cow, cow's milk. Dress of the girl, this is belong to the girl, that means girl's dress. Book of the teacher, this is book is related with belongs to the teacher, so teacher's book. Tail of the dog, dog's tail. Now read the following sentence. Jesus' kindness touched many lives. The bird's nest blew away in the storm. Jesus is proper noun ending with an s. Therefore, we just need to use an apostrophe comma with Jesus. Yes, this is apostrophe. We use if in the end you can see there is a s word, so we can't use again a s apostrophe s. So we use only apostrophe. Some nouns end in s. As we can see in the above sentences, in such case we add only an apostrophe to the noun to make it possessive s. So this is the some rules belongs to the possessive noun. Here is exercise 2. Put apostrophe or apostrophe s in the correct place in the following sentences. For example, the teacher's room is on the first floor. You can see the teacher's room is not a correct sentence, correct word. So we can write the teacher's with apostrophe s. Teacher's room is on the first floor. Kindness is my mother's best quality. Kindness is my mother's best quality. The ladies' club will come from lunch. The ladies with apostrophe club will come for lunch. Our parents' advice should be taken. Our parents with apostrophe advice should be taken. Kiran's dress is beautiful. Kiran's dress is beautiful. Life's many lessons should be remembered. You can see life's is wrong here, so we can write it with apostrophe is life's many lessons should be remembered. So exercise 2 telling about the how we can use apostrophe or apostrophe s with these sentences. So here is exercise 3. We have to rewrite all the sentences using apostrophe or apostrophe s. First is the book that belonged to Ram has been stolen. So we can write another Ram's book has been stolen. The uniform worn by the policeman is khaki. The policeman's uniform is khaki. The brush used by the painter had red color on it. Painter's brush had red color on it. The vision of the lens has become cloudy. Lens vision has become cloudy. The room in which the chief sits has been changed. The chief's room has been changed. The bag that belongs to that man is on Rajiv's desk. The man's bag is on Rajiv's desk. So these are some sentences that are incorrectly placed over here. So we have to use apostrophe or apostrophe s to make a proper sentence. So this is all about the possessive noun here. I hope you learn it clearly. Next chapter we will learn in the next video. So thank you.